What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today we're going to show you another security camera from Reolink. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca, and here we go. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below as well. So today we're looking at the E1 Zoom by Reolink. It's a motorized indoor security camera that has super HD quality with pan, tilt, zoom, and two-way audio. You'll be able to speak through your phone. You'll be able to hear as well at the same time. With the E1 Zoom, you'll be able to control wherever you want to see on your security cam. You'll be able to zoom in, pan to the left and right, up and down. And today we're going to show you how to do that. But first, let's go ahead and unbox this. Here we go. Let's grab our handy knife here. Boom. Boom. Here you go. Right away we have the Reolink. We have some literature, I believe. There you go. There you go, 24-hour surveillance. I like how they give us a little decal that you can use so that you know how to drill the holes for the camera. And the user manual. Let's put that on the side for now. Let's open up this part right here. Little mounting mount, screws. I like how Reolink provided all this power adapter. There you go. And the actual camera. Nothing more in there. Let's put that on the side for now. There you go. It's actually quite nice looking. This is also motorized, the bottom here. So you can control this on your smartphone. You'll be able to control up and down and also swerving. You can control it in real time. Two-way audio. It also has an SD card option if you want to use that. A lot of features for just a little guy. You'll be able to speak, and you know there's a speaker in the back. And the power slot right there. Now let's go ahead and install it. Here we go. First step is to look for this stencil that they give us. Scrape off some of the popcorn sealing stuff here. Next step is we're gonna use the stencil, poke some holes. You can use a screwdriver or a smaller screwdriver or something like that. There you go. And then we're gonna put the screws and some tocks. I'm gonna use a better one, which is the anchors that I have here. Just like that. Boom. All good to go. Screw on the mounting plate. I only use the screwdriver to do all this, so no need to do drill or anything like that. Take the Reolink, align it, and twist. You're good to go. It's pretty easy to install actually, and you should be good. Anyone can do this. Plug in the adapter. There you go. Once it's powered on, open up the app.
Please run Reolink app. Add the camera and set it up.
Here we're gonna open up the Reolink app. I've already signed up because we did a backyard camera before. So today we're just gonna add a new device. If you haven't done this already, go ahead and register yourself. Once you've done that, go ahead and scan the QR code underneath the Reolink E1 Zoom. Once you've scanned that, it should say that please run app and add the camera and set it up. Punch in your Wi-Fi passcode. You can use a 5 GHz or a 2.4. Once you've done that, go ahead and scan the QR code here on your Reolink camera.
Scan succeeded. Camera is connecting to your router. Please wait.
There you go, all good to go. Go ahead and press next.
Router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
Next up is to personalize your Reolink E1 Zoom. We're gonna make a name and also a login password. Once you're done personalizing, make sure to hit finish and we're good to go. Now let's show you some features of E1 Zoom. One of the best features about the Reolink E1 Zoom is the pan, tilt, and zoom. As you could see, we mounted our camera upside down. Here you can rotate the screen. You can rotate the camera as well so that you'll be able to see what you want to see. They also have two different resolutions. There's a clear and there's fluent. Clear is just the Ultra HD version of it. Fluent means you'll be able to open up your camera right away without it loading too much. When you're using your cellular data without the Wi-Fi, you'd want to use Fluent. The Ultra HD version might take up too much data, so it's best to use this during the times that you are in Wi-Fi or you're at home. As you could see, you can change the exposure, the white balance, and the color saturation and all that. It's really up to you. You'll be able to change the 3D HDR as well, the backlight and all that stuff. Pretty cool. One of the features as well is that you can color the spots that you want to specifically show the motion. So if there's a spot in your house like a door or a hallway where people may come in, you might want to highlight those areas. You can also set push notifications and schedule it as needed. So here we're just gonna set it when we are not at home. Typically you would go to at work 9 to 5 or something like that. Then you could set it to that. Next. Below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button as well so you can be notified of the next videos to come of unboxing just like this one. If you enjoyed yourself, make sure to hit the like button as well so we can beat the YouTube algorithm. Check out my merch below as well at 1130.ca. Hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace!